So, quick update on this whole internet thing with the Black Lab gaming guy. The plot thing is, if you go to that link that I put in the description and read some of those comments, you know, after a while you get tired of reading this horrible shit about you, and you got two options. One is get out of there and fucking go do something else. Two is start trying to defend yourself, right? or just bite back, you know, like, you know, you get cornered, you know, right? So I started biting back, dude. Black Lab Gaming guy, I was like, oh yeah, well, you're a pedophile. I'm like, this guy's a known pedophile, y'all. I was like, Google him and you'll find out. I found this guy. I found him on Facebook, the whole deal, right? Okay, so take a half day off work because I got some shit to do, right? I get home, do a couple of my things, I clean up the house, I check my email, and there's an email from that cop, that officer who came here the other day, and he's like, hey man, when you get a chance, can you call me? And I was like, why does this guy want me to call him? So I called him up, and I was like, hey, how's it going, man? It's Angry D. What's up, you know? He's like, I received a call from some officers, some state troopers in Pennsylvania, that you called the guy a pedophile on the internet. The dude called the police, bro. Dude, please laugh with me for a minute. Let's just give it, dude. Oh my God, dude. The guy called. I'm calling the police. What? Slander me in the Moto Madness comments section, will you? I'm calling the police. And that's what he did. He called the police. And so he called me up. He's like, the officers called him. He's like, you got a guy named Angry D down there? And he's like, yeah, I'll call him. So he calls me up. He, like, you know, asked me, like I was saying, did you call this guy a pedophile? I was like, yeah, you know, I mean, dude, it's the internet. You say whatever the fuck you want. That's what I was trying to prove to him, you know. You call me a piece of shit and you want to rat me out to the cops, I call you a pedophile and fuck you. And he's like, could you just let it go, you know? He's like, that guy likes to file frivolous harassment charges, and he's a problem for the cops over there, dude. He's a pain in their ass, right? So what this call is about, it's not, hey, you're in trouble. It's, hey, could you just fucking save us some trouble by leaving this guy alone? And like I said, I respect the badge. I respect the blue. Cops always, well, when I was a kid, they weren't so good to me, but I'm not going to hold that against them. The cops have been good to me as an adult. And it's because I respect them. When they pull me over, I roll my windows down, I turn my lights on, and I tell them who I am when they ask. You know, if they tell me to get out the car, I get out the car. I love y'all. Thanks for watching any of this shit. It's so fucking stupid. It's so stupid. Dude, imagine if I didn't have a channel, how boring my fucking life would be. It would just be me and these two kicking it. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Look at your nose, man. You got grass on your nose here. Can I get that? Got it. Done, son. Oh, belly time. All right, y'all. Love you guys. Appreciate it.